questions for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, is it just a hallmark day or the most romantic day ever?
My personal view on this is you don't need a specific day, to make it a romantic day. You can make any moment, any day of your life the most romantic day. And so according to me, it's just a hallmark day.
What makes a Valentine's Day special for you?
For me,
Yeah.
I think these surprises they do make this day very special. Yes, I love the idea of celebrating Valentine's Day because it's a day where you do something special.
But why do you need one specific day to do something special for your loved one?
No, it's
You can
not-
make any day like that,
I know, but then
You can have like 20 Valentine's Day in a year.
Yeah, I wish people would make every day a very special day for their loved ones. But yes, I mean, जैसे बर्थडे में होता है कि हाँ ये जन्मदिन है तो तुम एक एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करते हो वो केक लाने का सरप्राइजेस देने का. So for the loved ones, I mean, it's a nice thing to actually वो एक दिन हाँ पता है कि मैं busy हूँ या नहीं हूँ, that loved one, that my beloved will expect something special on that day. Be it the girlfriend, be it the parents, or anyone for that matter. I think it's a very sweet day. So dil khol ke manao.
How should people maintain the spark of Valentine's all the year long?
Spark is something I really am yet figuring out. It's a very strong word to use, spark. I mean, I've seen couples, I mean, the spark vanishes after a few years. I hope that doesn't happen with anyone, and especially with you, Maria, because you're very sweet. And especially with the heart so big, I don't think you will ever let the spark go away. And yeah, so sorry, question that I was.
If you could create the perfect Valentine's Day,
Yeah.
how would it would be?
परफेक्ट वैलेंटाइंस डे आई थिंक पहले छुट्टी दे दे प्रोडक्शन वाले उसके बाद सोचेगा इंसान कि हाँ परफेक्ट कैसे बनाया जाए इस दिन को.
आप कैसे?
As I don't believe in one day as Valentine's Day, as I told you. For me, I can make any day special for my loved one if I feel that there is a need, and the spark, you can keep it always alive by being really expressive and by being very honest to your loved one. I think that is one way. If there's honesty, there's friendship, and you're expressive, the spark will always be there. That's what I feel.
Which celebrity you would like to date on the Valentine's Day?
By private. I will not tell you that. You need to meet me to know that.
You want to say
I
that?
wish I could take Anne Hathaway for the day.
No, of course me.
Yeah, her too, okay. To eat dates maybe.
Yeah. Next.
What is the unique real love story you come across or witnessed?
I think the most unique real love story which I believed in and I have come across is my grandfather and grandmother's real story. They were childhood lovers. During the partition time, the partition happened. They did not see each other for 20 years, but after 20 years, they just saw each other. They didn't look the same, but they just recognized each other. And somehow, in spite of so many difficulties, because during those times there were many issues, families, casts, they made it happen. And I saw their love same, with the same spark, with same passion till the last breath of my grandfather. So for me, that's the best and the most unique love story that I have ever witnessed.
I think I would say there's this word called comfort, which is a very important word as far as relationships are concerned. So मैं तो थोड़ा फिल्मी हूँ ऐसे बचपन से, तो मैं दिल वाले दुल्हनिया देख के भी उतना ही ऐसे मेरा हार्ट बीट तेज होती है जितनी वीर ज़ारा देख के और कोई रोमांटिक फिल्म देख के. So I think these days comfort level has to be very strong in order to spend a long time with your loved one. So हाँ मतलब प्यार है, एक ज़िंदगी है, जितना करो उतना कम है और जितनी शिद्दत से करो उतना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So keep coming.
Most romantic thing you can do on this Valentine's Day?
Most romantic thing I could do this Valentine. I think I can, for now, I think I can give you a flying kiss, Maria, because you've been so sweet to me. And Valentine Day, I'm very impromptu with my plans, so whatever I do, I'll keep you updated.
What about you?
I think the most romantic thing two lovers can do is look into each other's eyes and let their eyes talk and make each other believe that they really
अरे वो तो हम
love.
हर एपिसोड में करते हैं.
Not you and me.
But what about you?
Yeah, that would be the most romantic thing, that I look into the eyes of my lover and make him believe by the language of my eyes that how much I love him.
As Kunj and Twinkle, you have become one of the most iconic jodi of television right now. How do you feel about this?
Of course, we feel great. We are like, we're so good at romance, right? And trust me, it's because of the friendship that we share, the bond. Like, I can blindly trust him as my friend, as my companion. So that is, and we respect each other equally. We trust each other equally. We are comfortable with each other. I think all these things make us so good together with each other, and we'll try and keep it up.
Yeah, it took time actually, but I think it's been so many months we've been shooting together. I know everything about her almost. She also knows everything about me. So it's actually the comfort level which I mentioned. And you asked me earlier actually, who's the best couple love story you would idolize. I would say, talking about मैं तो भी fiction वाली ज़िंदगी जी रहा हूँ, तो मैं honestly it's a very sweet thing if you think about it. How our journey started. At times life decides what is best for you. I never thought I'll become an actor. I was supposed to become a pilot, but life decided that yes. I mean, from Delhi I came to Bombay. I mean, left my pilot course. I was like, told dad, why spend so much money on something I don't want to do in my life. So Kunj and Twinkle, if you see, we didn't love each other, and our family thought we are perfect for each other. We got married. We used to hate each other. Slowly, steadily, this is life. It's decided our journey. I mean, our parents are life. So I don't know what will happen next, but I don't know if we'll fall in love. I don't know if we are falling in love. I don't know what's with the butterflies in the stomach and all these things. It's also fresh. The spark is yet alive. So I hope we should give you some more beautiful scenes in the coming episodes, and you enjoy us as much as you have been enjoying us.
On Valentine's Day, the message for your fans and your viewers of Glitz Vision.
ये एक करके. हाँ?
Message.
Wishing all the viewers of Glitz Vision a very happy Valentine's Day. Please keep up the love, and love you always. Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day to all the viewers of Glitz Vision and Kashne Ishq. Thank you so much for loving us. Message for Valentine's Day would be, let's make every day of our life, Valentine's Day, and be very loving towards everybody. That would be my message.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.